Hello again. I'm sure you are curious to find out what reinforcement learning looks like in Atomic Blastman. I promise I will not waste your time. Well, reinforcement learning is a method used to train agents. In our case, the agent is none other than me. Besides the agent, we also have the environment in which the agent is placed, like this arena right here. Most of the time, the agent has a clear goal. In our case, being the last one standing. Directing the agent toward the goal is simple in theory. Reward actions that bring the agent closer to the goal and punish actions that draw the agent back. Okay, but how does a poor, simple, little, puny, cute, and innocent agent know how to act in every situation, no matter the situation he is in? This is where deep reinforcement learning kicks in. We need something smart, something like a brain to look at our environment and say, okay, you take this action now. The closest thing to a brain we can get is called a neural network. A neural network is formed out of neurons grouped in layers. In a fully connected neural network, each neuron is connected through a line to all neurons in the previous and the next layer. We will call the line a synapse. Without diving too deep into the science behind it, you need to know that a neural network can adapt its synapses through a process called training. This is exactly what we need to train agents like me. I mean, not like my brain is not enough or something. Okay, now what? To train the neural network, we first need some data called training data. In reinforcement learning, the training data consists of experiences. Usually, each experience has 4 elements: the current environment state, the action we want to apply, the reward we get for that action, and the next environment state we get after performing that action. This is exactly what those guys are doing right there. They are gathering training data. Awesome. With hundreds of thousands of experiences, the training can now begin. By grouping our training data in batches, we can now feed them to the neural network. During the training process, the synapses are adjusted according to the Bellman equation. I have no idea. After enough training, the neural network learns how to predict the best action according to our rewards. This is called convergence, and it means that the training process has reached a stable state. And there you go. It seems like anyone can play Atomic Blastman nowadays. I hope you learned something new today. See you around.